In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stake on Binance US, a straightforward way to earn passive rewards by participating in the proof-of-stake consensus mechanism of supported cryptocurrencies. Let's dive into this beginner-friendly guide to help you get started. First, let's talk about what staking actually is. Staking involves locking up your cryptocurrency to support the operations of a blockchain network. This includes tasks like transaction validation and governance. In return, you're rewarded, typically with additional tokens. It's a fundamental process for POS-based blockchains like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. Now, to stake on Binance US, the first thing you need to do is create and verify your account. Head over to Binance.us to sign up and follow through with the basic verification process. It's crucial to complete this step, as it ensures the security and legitimacy of both your account and the platform. Once you've set up and verified your account, the next step is to deposit the supported cryptocurrency. Make sure that you have one of the supported cryptocurrencies in your Binance.us spot wallet. This could be assets like ADA, Atom, DOT, ETH, Matic, Sol, among others. Without these in your wallet, you won't be able to proceed with staking. With your account ready and cryptocurrencies deposited, we will now access the staking feature. If you're using the mobile app, tap on the staking icon right from the home screen. If it's your first time, you'll follow some on-screen prompts to set things up. Then, simply select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. On the web platform, it's slightly different. You'll navigate to the Earn section and click on Simple Earn. From there, you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake. Once that's done, you need to select your staking terms. Binance US offers two main types: flexible and locked staking. Flexible staking allows you to earn rewards daily, and you can unstake your assets whenever you need to. It's ideal if you prize liquidity and immediate access to your tokens. On the other hand, with locked staking, your assets are locked for a fixed period, like 30 days. Although you get higher rewards compared to flexible staking, you sacrifice some liquidity. Choose the option that best fits your financial goals and comfort with access. Finally, it's time to confirm and stake your assets. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. You'll want to review the estimated annual percentage yield, or APY, along with any other relevant details that appear. This will give you a sense of what your potential earnings could be. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and confirm your staking request. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively stake on Binance US, enabling you to earn rewards through your participation in the blockchain ecosystem. Remember, the key to successful staking is understanding your options and how they align with your financial aims. Happy staking!